Oh, you just know. You just know. You know, it's unboxing time, huh? You know what time it is. It's always that time when I'm on this channel. It's unboxing time. So, double PupJoy unboxing, 2 months worth, because I've just been lazy. Not really a big fan of PupJoy. So I'm just going to go through this and show you. This is how I think poor quality they are. 2 different PupJoys. Unlabeled box. Just the shipping stuff I'm not going to show you. But so we'll go through this one first and show you what's in it. Comes with toys and treats for your dog. They aren't really themed. They're just very random. At least I don't think they're themed. Not from what I've noticed at all. But this one is stuffed full, so it is packed. So I'll give them that much. So the first bag of treats is going to be the pumpkin nut party. So they are made in the United States or Canada. That's the one good thing about them. They're not made. You don't have to worry about like them being poisonous to your dogs. That's the one thing, that's the reason why I was willing to try them out. Oh, and they are, a lot of their treats are the heart shape because they're from the same company, Shameless Pets. So Shameless Pets, their theme is like hearts. And this one is basically pumpkin and peanut butter. You want that? You want that? Kiss. Hi, paw. Yes. Kiss. Hi, paw. Yes. So the next one's going to take me a minute to open. It is looks like an octopus. So all of their toys seem to come from Zippy Paws. So I don't know if they have like a partnership with them or that's just like the brand they like to use. It's got a squeaker in it, very soft, no crinkly or anything. Just a plush toy with a squeaker in it. And then obviously make sure you always remove the tags and the little plastic hooks that hold them in, because those could be like a choking hazard for your dog. Oh, there we go. So my Rottweiler loves these type of toys. She used to shred the heck out of them and get the stuffing out in the squeaker. This one, shouldn't play with them at all. Look, she's like, whatever. But this jealous one right here loves these type of a toy. She's trying to pull it from me. You gonna take that? Got it? The next bag of treats is going to be the Shameless Pets Chicken Colada. So human chicken and banana flavor jerk dog treats. So it says jerky with a cool Caribbean breeze mixed with coconut flux and chia seeds for a shiny coat. So these are all supposed to be like healthy towards your dog. It says 33% unrecycled or upcycled ingredients. So meaning they're like upcycled, so that's like the leftover byproducts, I'm assuming. I don't know. Not sure. I'll have to look up what upcycling means, because I thought that's basically like the leftover byproducts. So that's what they look like. Leave it. Take it. See, she knows. I could do it with her, but I'm not going to make her. She's old. Love my Roddy, love my Husky, but she was the first, so, you know, she's a little bit more spoiled. So the next toy is going to be, well, first I'll show them. It comes with something for them to chew on. So it comes with 2 of the bully sticks. I usually give these when we're eating dinner or something like that, or eating lunch. That way they leave us alone. So, you know, they don't bother you for your food. You just give them those and they'll go eat those instead of bothering you. Sometimes. Then the next, this is what I said, their toys like seem like cheaply made, because look, it's just a Zippy Paws, or actually a Zippy Paws Miraculous. So it's like whatever that, I can't. But it's a plush, one little small squeaker in the middle, and then it's just stuffed thing. These like remind me of the toys that you would get out of like the dollar, like the cheap little dollar bins at the dollar store, or like the leftover bin at like a PetSmart or something like that. So come here, you want that? You want that? Yeah, you want that fake dog bone? Then the last one is going to be the lobster roll. And then what's funny is lobster roll over. So lobster roll over. So they put the over upside down, kind of trying to be cute. And then this one says 45% upcycled ingredients. In fact, over 45% of this formula is made with upcycled ingredients. So comment below what upcycled ingredients are. I'm gonna have to look that up. But this is lobster, and it says this is more to a lobster than just a tail, like ingredients that keep your pup's hips and joints running smooth as butter. So apparently this has lobster and a couple other different things in it. But again, they think about your dog's health and shiny coat and healthy joints and other stuff like that. So there's a purpose behind the treats, just not treats for your dog. Oh, double heart. Hi, want that? You can have that. And then you can have that. You don't want that? See, she didn't even finish the other treat. She didn't even want it. So that right there kind of has me worried too. Like, she doesn't like it, and she eats just about anything, but for some reason she doesn't want that treat. So I'm just gonna leave it and open the next box, which and who knows, there might be duplicate treats for all I know. See, again, something for them to chew on. Comes with the bully sticks for them to chew on. Then it comes with a zippy paws, like, looks like a hamburger. So this one looks like it's like food themed, like some sort of like, I don't know, food themed, but it's not really food themed. It's kind of, I don't know. Do you think they're themed or not? Like, I mean, a bone and an octopus, and then a burger like this, and an avocado, and it doesn't even look like that little center of the avocado comes out. This doesn't pull apart or anything. It's just two different, nope, one squeaker in one of the buns. The other bun doesn't have anything in it. No, it does. So it's two squeakers in a hamburger bun. She's not gonna eat the treat, so I'm not gonna give it to this fat girl. She doesn't need too many of them. Then you have your avocado. So squeaky plush toy. Again, zippy paws. And again, always move the tags. See, it'd be cool if this comes out, but it doesn't. So, and it says zippy paws on it. So it looks like a big avocado. More toys for her to eventually shred, but it takes her forever now. She doesn't really, there's so many toys. So I'm not gonna open this. Actually, I will. I'll split it in half though. This is the Toothberry Berry and Mint flavored dental sticks. So it comes with dental sticks. And then again, this one says 35% upcycled. I should probably give this to them last because it's gonna take them a while to chew on that. So I'm gonna just break it in half. Let's see if they'll eat that. She'll eat anything. Do you want that? Yep, she'll eat that one. So the next two are going to be duck tato and cluckin' carrots, chicken and carrot flavored. Again, all of these are made in the United States or Canada. So these are the two different ones. This is seasoned cinnamon and duck apparently. And this one is carrots with chicken and parsley. And I guess it's good for, this one's good for their breath, and this one is good for their, boost their digestive system. And I'm not gonna give these to them, I'll give them to them later because they've had so many treats. Well, you don't like that? she's gonna hide that and forget about it, and then later Pepper will get into it. She kind of does that. She'll hide treats every so often because she thinks she's gonna get better treats. So, But thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and comment what you think. Now check out whatever other videos YouTube recommends to you. I don't have anything. I don't have any more, Bubba. Here. There's some more right here of your treat. Good girl. You're such a beautiful girl, huh? Such a beautiful girl, huh? You want a burger? Is that a cheeseburger or a hamburger? It looks like it's got cheese. Looks like it's got cheese and lettuce and then the burger. Maybe it's a veggie burger? I don't know. But like, subscribe again. Check out whatever YouTube. There's tons of videos. I have like 600 of them. And take care. Bye. Thanks for watching.